Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Uniswap. In my previous video, we were watching that the price line of Uniswap formed a new down channel, and at the same time it was also testing a key support zone that starts from $20 and goes to $17. And this is the weekly time frame chart that I shared on 22nd of September. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis at the Patreon, and if you would like to support me here, then I've also shared the link to join me here in the video's description. You can find there. And first of all, I would like to show you this chart that I shared on 22nd of September, and I also showed you this chart in my previous video as well. And you can see that this was our key support zone that starts from $20 and goes to $17. And whenever the price line was entering in this zone after breaking out this level, whenever it is testing this zone, you can see again and again it is having nice bounces to the upside. And at the same time, we also had a 50 simple moving average support as well. You can see that this green line is the 50 simple moving average support that was moving in this key support zone. Now I'm just going to play the chart, and after playing the chart, we can see that finally the price line is reverse bullish after testing this key support zone, and now we are above this zone. And now if we switch to the weekly time frame chart, the live weekly time frame chart, because this is not the weekly time not the live chart, this was a chart that I published on 22nd of September, and I just showed you what the price line was doing at that time and right now what the price line is doing. So on the weekly time frame chart, we can watch the live situation, and here we can see that the price line tested this 50 simple moving average, and now it is moving above the 50 simple moving average support and also that key support zone that starts from $20 and goes to $17. Right now we are moving at $26.27. And after this bullish reversal, we can observe that the price line has also found an uptrend line support. This is really very strong support. You can see the price line found this support here on 2nd of November on the weekly time frame, and you can see whenever the price line is moving at this support, dropping at this support, it is having nice bounces to the upside. Like we had a rejection here, we had a bounce here, we had another bounce here, and this is our recent bounce that the price line had. And also this 50 simple moving average is also moving with this support. So this is really very strong support, and now it has turned more strong because the 50 simple moving average is now working as a very strong support with this uptrend line support. Now I want to show you another bullish pattern that the price line has formed, and it is going to break out that pattern very soon. We have broken out this resistance of the down channel. You can see we had the valid support and valid resistance as well. The price line rejected here and also rejected here and also rejected here. And by the way, this is the daily time frame chart, and it is moving to the upside. Our final target as per this down channel can be here, that is approximately at $32. And right now the price line has so far rallied up to $28 approximately. Now the most recent and major development that I want to show you in today's video is a formation of a head and shoulder pattern on this same daily time frame chart, and this is inverse head and shoulder. That is a bullish reversal pattern, and you can see that here we have the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder, and the price line now has reached, after this reversal, the neckline of this shoulder that is approximately here at $27. Right now the price line tried hard to break out this neckline here, but it is rejected, and it is still moving at the neckline. So within next few hours there is a possibility that the price line will break out this neckline, and in case we will have a breakout, because our previous target as per this down channel was approximately $32, but once we will have a breakout from this head and shoulder pattern, that can be really a big target. Let me show you the target for that. If I place this trend line, that is the measurement from this head up to this neckline, and our target as per this inverse head and shoulder can be approximately $37.5. And while trading this head and shoulder pattern, this right shoulder can be used this lowest price of this right shoulder can be used as a stop loss. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.